Welcome to Whispers. With everything going on, questions keeps coming to my mind. Silence is not golden. Where are the OBAS? An elder and a political elect once asked at a condolence visit, where are the cows? There is so much death in the land, and we don't even know what's next. Thus, the question, where are the OBAS? This candid, insightful, and precise appraisal. This is a candid, insightful, and precise appraisal of our kings. We are all witnesses to history as it unfolds. Our OBAS do not really know when to keep quiet. There are times when, if you have nothing to say, it is better to remain silent rather than utter some useless tribe by so doing confirming your imbecility and absolute stupidity. Where are the OBAS? You all want to beat and outdo each other at your own game. The game of pleasing the Fulani, the NAP, and our local political elites in the failed Nigeria. Nigeria is now a limited liability company controlled by elites, managed under monopoly, maintained by capitalists, and programmed under the totalitarianism government, but disguised to be under democracy. Thus, the crazy demonstration and crazy drama we are all watching as it unfolds. The Fulani are saying they own the land, your land, my land, our ancestral land, and you're being politically correct by keeping quiet on all this. And when you decide to say something, it's to support the oppressors that came to wage war with us on our land. Or you're not aware of that? Your game this time is dead on arrival. Here, you all will fail, and you will fail woefully. Where are the OBAS? Nígbà téèyàn bá ń ṣòṣèlú, tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń jẹ́lú, tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń rúlú, yàtọ̀ sí ojúṣe yín gẹ́gẹ́ bí àtòlú, tẹ́ ẹ fi ọ̀nà sílẹ̀, tẹ́ ẹ wá mórí légbó, tẹ́ ẹ fi ẹ̀tẹ̀ sílẹ̀, tẹ́ ẹ wá ń pa làpálàpá, tẹ́ ẹ kọ̀ láti tòlú, tí ìtẹ̀síwájú, ààbò àti ọrọ̀ ajé ó wá di ohun àfọwọ́yẹpẹrẹ mú. Mo ṣe bí àgbòsí nílùú, ìlú ti bàjẹ́, baálé ilé kú, ilé dahoro, àgbà yín wá wà lọ́jà, orí ọmọ tuntun ó wá wọ́ gbáà, ẹ wá di ṣekúṣẹyẹ. ọ̀rọ̀ yín wá di ìlẹ̀kẹ̀ mọ́jà lé mọ́jà ta. Ẹ wá dìlẹ̀kùn ẹran jẹ. Mo ṣe bí àti lọ tì bọ̀ ní pàlẹ̀kùn ẹran jẹ. Orí ìkóríta mẹ́ta lẹ wá wà báyìí o. Olóṣèlú, àwọn aráàlú àti àwọn ìjọba Fúlàní, ibo gan-an lẹ fẹ́ yà sí? Ibo lẹ dúró sí? Ibo lẹ tẹ̀ sí? Rẹ́rẹ́ mà ti wá rùn. Ẹ ti gbàgbé? Màá rán yín létí. Chief Obafemi Awolowo tried to embrace the North diplomatically, and with finesse, he failed. MKO Abiola almost became a tout for the North. He failed and was eventually killed by his northern friends in the Nigerian army. Olusegun Obasanjo is today crying for colonization being carried out by his former subordinates, and a military officer is supervised, promoted, nurtured, and encouraged in the person of Muhammadu Buhari, an outright failure. Where are the OBAS? Ìgbà wo gan-an lẹ tó fẹ́ mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin igbá lẹ́yìn yágbàdo sí, tẹ́ ẹ wá ń pọnmi sájáde apẹ̀rẹ̀? Ìgbà wo gan-an lẹ tó fẹ́ jáwọ́ lápọ̀n tí ó yọ̀? Kẹ́ ẹ dá mi nákaná. Ìgbà wo gan-an lẹ tó fẹ́ mọ̀ pé the north of Nigeria has nothing to offer? One Nigeria is a lie, and we are better off without them. We have tried it before. Mo ṣe bí wọ́n ní bí wájú ò bá ṣe lọ, ẹ̀yìn ò ṣe padà sí. Bí làálàá ò bá gbé ní, àá sì padà sí ìlà. Tó sì dá mi lójú pé àlòrànkà, ìfẹ́ aládìyẹ fádìyẹ, ṣebí kó tómi ṣòro sísàsùn ọbẹ̀ rẹ̀ ni. Tí wọ́n wá ń pè yín lólè, tẹ́yìn náà wá ń gbọ́ mi ranjú. Àwítán, wọ́n ní ẹtì ọmọ adìyẹ mẹ́wàá pa lábúlé. Tẹ́ wá wọ̀lú lójú kó wá ẹtì ọmọ adìyẹ méje pa. Ṣé bójú ò bá tó toko, èyí tẹ́ ẹ tẹ̀pa nílé nǹkan? Mo ṣe bí ọgbọ́n àgbọ́jù ní pọlọgbọ́n lára. This is the reason they pick the very smart, devious politicians and the likes of Ahmadu Bello, Sani Abacha, Ibrahim Babangida, Muhammadu Buhari to work with greedy, self-centered, unprincipled, and spineless Southerners, Yorubas, in the likes of Oladipo Diya, Olusegun Obasanjo, Yemi Osinbajo, àti àwọn kọlọ̀rọ̀ sí ọba pẹ̀lú ẹnìkan òkè ọ̀hún. Àmọ́ ṣe Where are the OBAS? The invasion and the taking over by both foreign and local Fulani militias, cattle herders, and bandits over the land is however the breaking point. Mo ṣe bí wọ́n ní akèégbàkàkà lọ́wọ́ akítì, kò sẹ́ni tí gbalé bàbá ẹni lọ́wọ́ ẹni. Ìyẹn láyé àtijọ́ o, torí ẹ̀yin ò lè lé ti ṣílẹ̀kùn fún tòde báyìí. Mo ṣe bí wọ́n ní ọmọ onílé àtẹ̀jẹ́jẹ́, àlejò àtẹ̀ báṣubàṣu. Ìbágbé yìí ó dájú dánu dáadáa pé kò wọ̀ mọ́. Igi gogoro má gún mi lójú. Mo ṣe bí tá a bá lé àgùntàn kan ògiri yóò yíjú padà bóni jẹ́. Fúnra lára yín lẹ́kìnná bọlé. Iná sì rèé kò mójú ẹni tó dáa. Àwọn Fúlàní tí ojú oníka mẹ́sàn-án yín kà á, ẹ rí nǹkan kan ṣe sí. Wọ́n ń ṣe àwọn ọmọ odi yín báṣabàṣa. Wọ́n tún ń sọ síbẹ̀ ẹ fọhùn. Láì kìí ṣe pé ojú yín fọ́ tàbí tí yín di. Wọ́n ń gba ilẹ̀ àwọn baba ńlá wa. Ẹ rí nǹkan kan ṣe sí i. Abowó gan-an lè fẹ́ lọ jẹ́ fáwọn ará àṣáájú. Tí ẹ rántí ẹ̀yìn ọ̀la àti àtisùn. Tí ẹ rántí pé àṣílẹ̀ láríkà. Àṣílẹ̀ yín láríkà yín àti ipa tí ẹ ń kó nínú ìtàn tá a máa kọ sílẹ̀ fún yín. Where are the OBAS? An older adage, literally translated, said, when a house is at peace, it is because the bastard in that house has not grown up. Bastards could come from royal and non-royal families. And as events are unfolding, it is glaring that this adage cuts across the board, but more openly to the full view of all is our so-called psychedelic, Yahoozy, Fuji dancing, party loving, money spraying, glitter crown, ego crazy, hip-hop uppers and elders, who have through their action and inaction, utterances and quietness on issues arising, has been nothing, absolutely nothing but a disgrace, a total disgrace. The authorship and relevances of our cash and carry kings are glaringly alarming. What will it take you to make yourself relevant by addressing the vital issues at hand? Even when our so-called kings and elders are corrupt, stealing from the future generation, destroying lives in the process, yet, as an elder, they still want and expect us under a must to respect them, because it's Yoruba culture to respect elders. Even though respect is reciprocal, it is earned, not demanded. Now, the masses don't have respect or blind loyalty to you for the sake of it anymore, but will duly give it to people who respect themselves and make a good effort at making our land a better place for everyone and not just their families and cronies. Ènìyàn tó bá mọyì wúrà làá tà á fún. Kò sáyè àti máa fi wúrà wa sọ́rùn ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ mọ́. Where are the OBAS? Mo ṣe bí mọ́ta mi sí mi lára kí rodo. All OBAS are public figure, hence legitimately subject to critique. We all know our OBAS are hustling instead of leading their people. Tell me what the so-called monarchs have done for peace, unity, and security of the Southwest. This is why we, the masses, as people, are hardest hit by the herdsmen, to the point of being refugees in the Republic of Benin. Tí kò ṣẹlẹ̀ rí, yet the OBAS have not spoken. They've never said a word. They've never spoken up for us. Our OBAS are after the free money to maintain their opulent lifestyle. What value do they offer? OBAS nowadays do not represent even the throne, not the people that they claim they rule. Hence, they can't speak for them. They do not represent the collective vision of oppressed Yorubas who have decided to birth a new Oduduwa nation. Time is running out for these selfish, greedy, shameless, puppet clowns and castrated OBAS to shape up or sheep out. Their silence at this critical time is not golden. Neither is their unguarded utterances. Where are the real custodians of the throne? Where are the OBAS? So guys, where are the OBAS? The true and real custodian. The Ojulowo Oba. I'm not talking about the fake, the glitter crazy fake. I'm talking about the authentic ones, the truthful ones. Where are they? Where are the OBAS? Until I come your way again.